Hi all, very good morning. Today our topic is how to work on timers in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, our topic, this is our topic, how to work on timers in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, this is our topic. In JMeter there are so many timers, but most of the time you need to use to the in our daily testing point of view. First one is the constant timer. Second one, uniform random timer, Gaussian random timer, Poisson random timer, bean shell timer, JSR 223 timer. Okay, there are total 6 timers. Most of the time you need to use. In high priority, only there are 2 timers only. Okay, one is constant timer, one is uniform random timer. Okay, these 2 timers are you need to work. First of all, what is timer? Otherwise, what is the use of timer, right? The main use of timer is whenever JMeter without timers, you need to send the request, right? It's a keep on hitting to the server without any delay. That time, server is not able to respond it, right? Based on the user load. That reason, that issue resolving purpose, he will newly introduce timers in JMeter point of view. Okay, whenever you need to add the timer, right? He will delay the each and every request and hit to the server, and he will get the response. That is the way you need to solve to the server overloading problem. Okay, the main use of timers is you need to solve the server overloading problems. That is the main intention. But in this video I need to discuss only 2 timers. One is constant timer and one is uniform random timer. Okay, first one, constant timer. In constant timer, it will provide the only constant value only. How much value you provided constantly, that value only he will pick, and each and every request you need to wait, and he will hit the server. Okay, now I will show you that one how we need to do. I will open the JMeter. Okay, I will add the one thread group. Under thread group, I will add one sampler request. Give a HTTPS www.google.com, right? I will give in. Now you need to copy this one and you need to paste it in same one only. After you need to add the go to listeners. In listeners I will add the view results. Okay, I will take the, you can take both. First of all, view results tree I have added. After view results table also, view results table. Okay, now you need to see when I need to run the test, right? Without any timer I will add. When I will click on run, right, it's automatically will run without any delay. Just 1 second only will hit it. You can see now. Now save. You can see 4 requests will become, right? This is very fastly will hit it. Okay, whenever I will run the each and every request, it's a single user only, right? Thread group, he will hit it. There is no an issue. But whenever you will run to the very heavy load, okay, that time the keep on request will be failed. Means you will send the request and a huge number of requests will hit it to the server, right? That time you don't have time and the connection will be failed automatically. The connection loss also. And server also that many without any delay keep on, you need to get that much of very fast request, right? Server also is not able to handle. That reason you need to introduce the timers. Example, now I will add just one timer. You can see, go to timer, you can take constant timer. Okay, I will put on to the timer. Okay, it's take milliseconds only. 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. Okay, I will give the I will give the 5000 seconds, means it's a 5 seconds. How you need to work, right? The timers are working, the variance is whenever you need to add request, just you can right click, go to add timer, and you need to add the timer, right? That time the specific request only you added the timer, and how much the constant timer, how much value you provided. Example, I will give in 5000, right? The 5 seconds the specific request only will be applied, remaining request is not applied. That is the request level timer. Second one, thread group level. Now I will add it, you can see the connection needs, means I will add it to the through thread group add timers constant timer. Now you added the thread group level, right? All four requests 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds will be applied. Whenever you have multiple thread group, multiple requests, right? The time whenever add the test plan under add, go to timer, you can add the constant timer, right? You have multiple thread groups and multiple requests, right? All thread group, all request will be applied for the timer. What is the value will be given? Okay, the timers you need to add three ways. One is request, under thread group, under test plan. Now I will add a thread group, right? In thread group all four requests 5 seconds will be applied. Okay, now you need to see this one, the time, everything you need to see this place. Okay, now I will run this one. Now you can see 4 5, you can see 5 seconds, right? You can come to the one request, otherwise you can go to this place also, it's same only. Okay, the time based every 5 seconds you need to came. Okay, almost 20 you can hit. Okay, this is the way every 5 seconds you need to apply. That is the first one. Second way, now you need to see, I will add this request, add a timer, constant timer, right? I will give 10,000 seconds, means total 10 seconds. Now how you need to work, right? One is I am already mentioned thread group constant timer, means 5 seconds all request, and the last one you added already constant timer 10,000 seconds, means 10 seconds. This one will apply every request, means 5 seconds is already applied, remaining 10, total 15 seconds, means first request 5 5 5, this one 5 plus 10, total 15 seconds will take the time. You can see now. You can see first one 5 is completed, you can see remaining 10 second, 15 third, next one 30 will get the request, 20 25 26 27, yeah, you can see 30, right? Now you are able to get the request. Okay, that is the way the timers are working for constant timer. Okay, that is the first one. Okay, now you need to disable this one. Okay, now you need to moving to the uniform random timer. You can see uniform random timer. How you need to work, right? You can see is clearly mentioned. Thread delay properties, first one, random delay maximum in milliseconds. Okay, random delay maximum in milliseconds, constant delay offset in milliseconds. Okay, this is minimum and maximum type you need to work. Okay, example, the minimum I will give 1000 seconds, maximum I will take 5000 seconds. Okay, now the minimum and maximum, constant delay is a minimum. Okay, constant delay offset is minimum. 1000 seconds means 1 second only will be execute. Otherwise, yeah, that is only enough. Constant delay offset is a minimum. 1001 second you need to execute. Random delay maximum 5000 seconds means 5 seconds you need to execute. Okay, now you applied in thread group, right? Every seconds you need to execute 1 second to 5 seconds. Minimum range means that 1 second to 5 seconds time duration only need to execute the request. Now you need to see that one. Okay, now I need to work, right? You can see, you can take the seconds only. First one 34 to 40 you can take. Okay, first one is already executed, right? You don't know exactly what time you need to take. 40, 34 to 46, total 6 seconds you need to take the time, second one. 40 to 45 means 5 seconds only. 45 to 47, 2 seconds only. For first one you are not able to define, that is starting time, right? That reason you can see that is the randomly you need to pick the values, means randomly you need to based on the timer, random timer. 1 second to 5 seconds means the minimum and maximum how we need to work, right? I will show you that one. Example, minimum you given first one, sorry, 5 seconds minus 1 second is equal total 4 seconds. The minimum range 4 seconds. Another one, maximum. Maximum means 5 plus 1 equal to 6 seconds. Okay, this is, there is a some other formula based you need to work. Okay, it's not only constant 4 seconds, not only constant 5 seconds, that in between you need to work, but most of the way the range, this is the way we only need to work. Okay, one is 1 to 5, otherwise the minimum 4 seconds, the maximum 6 seconds. This is the way only now we need to work. Okay, at the same time most of the projects you need to use constant timer and uniform random timer only you need to work. Okay, remaining timers I will explain my next videos. I will mention each and everything. There is a specific example based I will provide. Okay, now random uniform random timer you need to see the under thread group, right? Same way you can use the under request under test plan also. How constant timer you need to work with, same way, there is no any difference. Okay, you need to pick the randomly you need to execute the request, and it will solve the server the overloading issues. Okay, each and every request there is a random time and you will execute the request. Okay, yeah, that's all guys, this video. Maybe now you understand, right, how we need to use the constant timer and uniform random timer. Constant, it's a fixed value, there is no need to change, but uniform random timer, it's a randomly you need to give the value. Okay, that is a major difference. Maybe now you understand. Okay, how we need to work the timers in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, I will complete this video only to remaining 4 I will complete my next video. Based on examples I will give to, I will explain each and every timer. And one of the most important, bean shell timer, right? You need to learn to the bean shell script also you need to provide. JSR 220 third timer also you need to use the one is bean shell script, otherwise Groovy script also you need to use. Okay, I will provide my next video. Yeah, that's all guys, this video. I will connect my next video. Thank you very much.